This is the Licensure Management and Application Online System tutorials for the new automated system. Requesting graduate pay. State Board policy for graduate degrees states the licensure section shall authorize salary on the master's level or other appropriate salary schedule for professional educators who hold master's degrees or advanced degrees that do not lead to a professional educator's license if the following criteria are met. The master's or higher degree is from a regionally accredited IHE. The master's or higher degree is in an education or subject area directly related to an existing area of licensure and current teaching assignment or instructional responsibilities, and the educator's assignment for the majority, 50% or more, of the school day is in the area for which the master's or higher degree applies. Any state legislature or State Board of Education policy changes or restrictions apply. Pages 19 through 24 in your user manual have directions on how to request this type of application. Policy questions or technical difficulties, please contact the licensure section at 919-807-3310. To request graduate pay, from the main menu, select Process General Applications, then Graduate Salary Request. Enter the teacher's information to search for the individual. This can be done by name, license status, license number, or Social Security number. Select the teacher's name on the left. This will provide you with the educator's details to make sure you have chosen the correct teacher. Select the back button on the bottom right corner of this page to get you back to the first screen. Do not press the back button on the top left corner. This will give you an error message. Once you have identified the correct teacher, check the Select button on the right, then the Select button on the bottom right. This will bring you to a screen asking if you want to create a transaction. Select Yes to proceed. Read through the introduction page. Valuable information is located here regarding both the LEA and the individual's responsibilities for this license. You can move through the application by pressing the Next button at the bottom to continue, or you can select the corresponding tabs on the left. The tabs on the left are exactly the same for every application type as they apply. You cannot make changes to the Name and Personal Data tab. The individual will need to submit a new request to make changes to this information. Items on the application with a red asterisk are required fields. You cannot submit the application without completing these fields. Contact information can be updated if corrections need to be made. Make sure the email address is correct, since this is the main way of communication between the teacher and DPI. The Education tab, you can input if additional degrees were earned since the application was originally submitted. Press the Save button and you can input additional degrees. Select the school number, the education level, the effective date, area of assignment, and percent of the day in the area of assignment. If new transcripts are not on file with DPI, you can upload them at this time. The Summary tab is the final tab which provides you a quick glance at the information entered. You can change any of the information by selecting the Edit button or selecting the corresponding tab on the left. Once you have verified that the information is correct, press the Submit button at the bottom. Once you press Submit, you cannot go back and make any changes. This should be the final step in the application process. If you do not press Submit, the application and attachments will remain on file for 30 days. You must complete the application within 30 days, or you will need to upload your documents again. You can select View PDF Summary Report to obtain a copy of the application that was submitted for your files. The teacher will need to log into the system, answer the statement of applicant, and pay the processing fee. Fees can only be paid by the teacher with a MasterCard or Visa. Debit cards with the MasterCard or Visa logo are acceptable. You can select Return to Main Menu to finish the application request.